Hey teachers, did you know that you can easily create flyers and worksheets in Google Slides? It's a lot easier, in my opinion, than using Google Docs to try to get pictures and text exactly where you want it. So here I have a new slideshow. I don't need this, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Now, right now, my slide is not shaped and sized like a piece of paper would be. So to do that, I'm going to go to File, Page Setup. And instead of widescreen, I'm going to change it to Custom. Now here I can put the size of my paper. I want mine to be 8.5 by 11 inches. And so now it's the same size as a piece of paper would be in portrait. So if I wanted it to be a landscape instead, I would just swap the 8.5 and the 11. So from here, I'm just putting everything exactly where I want it as if it were a piece of paper. I can change the background. I can insert text and images. Maybe I want to do word art for my title to make it look nice. Make my border bigger. I can change the font of it and change the size. I can also insert images. If I have it already saved on my computer, I can upload it. I can search the web, and I can also pull some in from my drive. So I'm going to search the web, and I'm going to find just a cat, but I want a cat clip art, so I will pull maybe this one in. So I'm going to select it, hit insert. And now I've got my cat. I can change the size and move it around. I can put in some text boxes. So I'll click on text box, decide where I want my text box to be, and here I'll put my directions and instructions for what I want students to do. I can change the size of it. Now keep in mind this is going to be printed out on a sheet of paper, and so anything more than 18 is probably going to be pretty big. Even my title is really big right now. Most words that we type and print out are going to be around a 12 or maybe a 14. So my direction sentence right there is actually pretty big whenever I print it. So just keep in mind it looks small on your screen, but it's going to be a lot bigger whenever you print it out. Sometimes I find this too small to work on very easily, so I'm going to zoom in 100%. And so now I can see a little bit better what it's going to look like. And so this just makes it easy to make sure you have the text and images exactly where you want it. From here, I can do a couple of things. I can print it out, or I can save it as a PDF. So to print, I would just go to File, Print. To save it as a PDF, I'm going to go to Download As, and then choose PDF Document. That'll automatically download it for me, and now when I open it, I've got it right here as a PDF, and I can send it to Print Shop or share it with other teachers or whatever I want to do with it. If you have any questions about Google Slides, just let me know. I would be happy to help.